Hi, boys and girls. Let's read this passage together. Okay, we're going to learn or work on our comprehension skills. Comprehension is remembering what we read. So let's read this together. This is called The Bird. I can see a little bird. It is in a nest. I see 3 eggs in the nest. Now we're going to go down to the first question, number 1. It says, the bird is, I have to remember what I read. The bird is red. The bird is big. The bird is little. I think it's this because I see that word right here. I can see a little bird. Good. The bird, let's go to number 2. The bird is in a, I have to think really hard. The bird is in a nest, a bird is in a rest, or the bird is in a egg. Well, I don't think the bird is in an egg. It's sitting on eggs, but not in an egg. It is in a nest. Let's go to number 3. I can see, I can see an egg in the nest. I can see 3 eggs in the nest. I can see 2 birds in the nest. I don't see 2 birds. And I don't just see 1 egg in the nest. I see 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs in the nest. Now move the circles over your answer.